Hello and welcome back to the channel. Another quick video for restoring radios, cosmetic repairs. Here we have a Roberts RIC1 with a nice silvery badge on it, and sometimes the silver rubber's off and it ends up looking like that. Not good if you want to sell a radio, just to make it look a bit better than it is. So how do we sort this out? Well, you could find a scrapper and swap the badges over, or alternatively you can get one of these liquid chrome pen. Got this off Amazon, you can get it off eBay, and these are perfect for restoring the badges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I do it. Give it a shake. Now, you never put any pressure on this, you just let the pen do all the work. So I'm just going to get on a bit of paper just to wake it up a bit. I'm going to start on the R badge, so let's see if we can get you in closer. Fortunately the zoom on this GoPro is not that good, so what you do is you don't go up and down, you do little circles. So make a start there. Now ideally you can mask the areas off top and bottom. I'm not going to do that. Don't put any pressure on it, just let the pen do all the work. Going over any bits you've missed and just keep going. Now this does take a bit to set, it's not instant, so obviously go from left to right and give it time to dry. You can just do one letter at a time. Going really carefully and colouring it in. Does not look better so far. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the badge off and I'll bring you back and we'll see what we got. Okay, we're back. Didn't take too long, that one. I'm going to leave it to set, then obviously go over any bits I missed, like the top of the S there and the R. Initial problem with the E, because the character spacing, it's quite close. So other than that, it looks, well, from this angle it looks alright. Obviously it doesn't have to be a Roberts set, any set that's got the plastic stuff on it. This does set fairly quickly. Obviously I might go over it again and sort it out. But yeah, Molotow liquid chrome pen, which is good for restoring the shiny bits on your plastics on your radio. And I hope you gained something from this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.